Trey Finetta here. Trey being cooking show with Trey Sprout and Brianna Roy.
Hey, hi everybody.
She was just telling me how to make her famous mashed potato.
Oh.
So can you walk my viewers through the step?
Okay, so you just take your potatoes. We're using russet today. These. You wash them off, you clean them, and then you cut them down into like wedges and boil them. You want to boil them until they get soft. Salt your potatoes when they're hot and season them. Really, I season them when they're hot. Mash them down and then add your milk and all the other ingredients that you're going to use, and you can top them with whatever you want to top them with.
Okay,
bacon bits, I don't know, cheese, whatever. But I use salt, garlic, and pepper to start off. Like that's the base of like all my seasonings.
Salt, garlic, and pepper.
Mm-hmm.
And garlic smells good, y'all.
Mm-hmm. And you can also saute your own onion and garlic if you like that, and dump them in there too, which is what I'm gonna do.
I've never really had them with onion or garlic before.
Okay, try some. No. Oh, my gray is showing.
Your what?
My gray is popping.
Oh.
It's popping. It's popping.
Gray hair.
Okay, we know.
We'll edit that in post.
Yeah. So it's good cooking with my cousin, Trace Brown, the Tracinator.
Yeah. I'm awesome like that.
Yes, you are.
She's awesome.
Yes, we are at our grandparents' kitchen.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. All right. You have any more questions? Anything you would like to add?
Maybe these green beans.
Oh yeah. Well, you're on the potatoes now, but the green beans are over there.
Oh yeah.
You wanna?
Mind if I do a little taste test?
A little taste test.
Make sure they're not poisonous.
Okay. Hold on. Give me. He said poisonous.
Yeah, that's what my dad used to always say, and he'd eat half my plate.
Oh Lord. Okay. So hold on, just a second. Let me get your spoon. Well, if you want to get a spoon, hold on. I'll get you a spoon. And you can tell me what I need to add. Oh, you know what? Okay. You want me to hold it for you, or you can put it on yourself?
Listen.
No, not a big. No. He's trying to take a big. No, it's just a taste. Just a taste. Blow it, yeah. Oh, you're not, hold on. You want me to get it so that they can see you?
Let me put it over there.
No, I got it. No, they can't see. Okay, there you go. It's hot. What's it missing?
I was saying a bit more garlic.
Bit more garlic. Okay.
Actually, a lot more garlic.
Okay, we'll do a lot more garlic. All right.
Trey Finetta here. Subscribe. Maybe I'll make a dish for one of y'all one day.
All right.